In their eyes and their words are really clear. So beat it, just beat it, beat it. Ooh.